Greeting, this is Mark Brown. We're going to be looking at the snipping tool. What is the snipping tool? The snipping tool can actually use to cut paragraph, right? So for instance, you want this section of paragraph to put on your schoolwork or maybe on a project, you can actually use the snipping tool. But how can I find that snipping tool? Alright, you want to come all the way down here in the search bar. You're going to click, you're going to type S, right? And here you go right here. Snipping tool, I click on it. Notice it appear on the right. So if you click right here, you can actually cut out piece what you want. But if you go to mode right here, you show that you can freeform a triangular snip. So if you want it in a triangular format, you can actually get this. If you want the whole entire screen, you can actually click. But what you want to focus on the new. So when you click on the new here, right here, if you notice the whole entire page come pale, but don't worry about that. This is how it come. Notice the cursor become a plus. So you want this particular paragraph. So put the cursor right here, then hold on the left side of the mouse or the touchpad, and then go to your right like that. And then this way, and then let it go. If you notice when you let it go, there you go. You notice you have this particular paragraph, just like that. But if you want to save it, what can you do? You notice you have file up here, edit, tools, and help. So you're going to click right here on the file. Alright, when you click on file, notice it's a new snip, save as, send to. You can notice you can actually send to email, you can actually print it from here, you can exit, but you want to save it. So you click right here, and save it, notice it bring up the desktop, right? So you can actually click on the desktop here. Let me do that, yes. And then come right here, you're going to type a name. Here I'm going to type photo, right here, and then let me correct that here. And then I can come right here, so and click save. When I click save, I can actually click it. So I want to go back again, I'm going to look at data. Notice this is it right here. So if I come right here, move right here, and I click right here on the triangular one, you notice, look at it now, right? You notice this snip is like the triangular one. Yes, and that's how we exactly get it. So I want to bring up the snip again, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to try this one now. Alright, I'm going to try full screen snip. So if I click right here, you notice this is what we actually just capture while ago. Notice full screen. Right, you have right here, you can actually come and scroll up. You notice, good, and that is very important. Right, and this now. So for instance, you get this now, you want to save it. Right, you can actually come up here and save it just like that. Right, I'm going to save this a specific way. When you come like that, because you want it for your presentation. Right, and then you're going to put document here. I'm going to put your document here. This is what will happen now. Then I'm going to press and save. Right, and then I'm going to close it. But this same document here, right, let me minimize this. I'm going to want it here. I'm going to want it to put on a Microsoft Word, right, to show. So what I wanted to do, come back here, bring up Microsoft. I'm going to come file. I'm going to click on new. So I want a blank one. Right, so I'm going to insert the file that I just cut off a while ago. I'm going to click insert. Click right here, say picture, and then say this device. Alright, and then going to take me to the desktop, which I have to come over to my left and click. Notice this is once a document. You have to click on it to highlight it. Then I come all the way here to my right and click on ready insert. Notice this itself is on a document, but you notice I can't move it. You have to wrap text it by right click on it. Come all the way here to wrap text. There you go across behind text. Now I can actually move it up and down. But it kind of look weird. So I want to scrap it. So you're going to highlight the picture, come all the way here to format, and then come to your right and a size crop, and click on crop here. You notice the angle at each corner. So I'm going to come right here with the cursor right here, along the left side of the mouse and touchpad. I'm going to come right here with it and come over here. I'm going to do the same thing by coming down. So come to the left now. I'm going to come right in just like that. So come at the bottom, come in, Just like if I click like that, this is where I go. If I come like this now, click back on it, I can actually extend it like that, get out, and this will look like the original. And notice, can actually going out so far. Let me get down some more. It can fit in on the document just like that. You notice that I'll have a border around it just the same. Alright, actually get like that. And nobody can actually tell that is not you. Right? Do it and all of that. Alright, let me take this down more. Alright, let me crop up a little piece of this to the top right here by clicking on the crop again. Let me take off a little piece of here. Let's hide this particular area. Good. Alright, there we go. Let me take off a little piece more. Right, I want to make sure we have a clean piece of document here. Okay, down like that. And good. And this is how we actually do it now. Okay, it up. And as you can see here, we have a good piece of document that we can actually present, look very presentable. Alright, so if you have learned something from this video, remember to share, like, and